Hello, I try to repair the MEI, okay, and the phone is already root, okay. So when the root, the phone is okay. We go to the setting. The Alcatel 4045i, okay, is IDOL3, okay. Which one is this model, okay. And now the we check the MEI here. Okay, this MEI there, and I want to fix this one. Okay, so first one we going to here. Okay, and we can go see Alcatel. Okay, we have ADB interface, and the compo has this one 15. So I just go here, setting, backup. We deleted this one. This one original one. Okay, so we save to this one, and we start it. So memory backup complete. Okay, so we close this one, and we close this one too. Okay, and so now I want to repair MEI like this one. So I convert, copy, convert, paste. So this the MEI I like to compare. So I just open file, open. So I open this one. Okay, now I try to find it. Okay, one more time, one more time. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and I will convert. Convert this one, right? So I copy it. Then I pass. Okay, I pass right. Okay, here. So I save it. Okay, so now I get the new. This should be support new MEI here. Okay, so now because I already saved, I close it. Now I will try to zero IMEI now. Okay, deep. So I check device. So please here the version is 5.0, but we don't get IMEI for this program. Okay, so now Okay, here this one. Okay, 14 and 15. So 14 and 15. Okay, so 14 and 15. Now we try to 0 IMEI. Okay. So the phone restarted. And the compo is missing. Okay, so now just wait. Okay, the compo come back. So Android come back. So IMEI become none after that. Okay, so see, now I will try to come 15 is this one. Okay, and IMEI is here. Pass. Okay, so I just pass. Okay, then ADB. Reboot. So phone reboot now. We check IMEI. So the IMEI is still none. Okay. So we say okay. Since the Qualcomm IMEI right is not working. Okay. Now we just have to go to QPST. Before that, we have to verify one more time. Okay, one. Okay. Okay. So this convert IMEI here, okay, is same as this one. See? Okay, and the IMEI should be this one, right? So because we already saved before, we just watch, look, so just confirm it. And now start software download, restore, and we restore this one. Okay, we just confirm that's already new IMEI there. Okay, now I start it. So memory restore complete. So we close this program and ADB share SU reboot. The phone reboot. So we close this one. We close it. So we check the IMEI. So see the IMEI come back to original one. Okay, not this one. So since we use a Qualcomm IMEI writer, that doesn't work, and we use a QPSD IMEI. Even we already changed it, the new IMEI, but still they go back to see, even we change it, but it still go back to original. Okay, so means the program still couldn't repair the IMEI yet. Okay, and maybe you have another solution. Can you please help me? Okay, thank you.